Hey, this is Carl, and today I'm not on the road with Merv.
On the road with Merv.
But we're going to do a little bit of project, because when I'm not traveling, I like to do some projects and clean some things up on Merv. So, today we're going to tackle the slide out step. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, this step, a couple of weeks ago, really started to buckle out. Not just the top, but this whole side was buckled. And you can see where the previous owner had put a couple of rivets in here, because I'm sure this started to bubble first. And since I've owned it, it's slowly cracked all the way across to bubble up. So what I did a couple weeks ago is I put some epoxy in there just to adhere it so it wouldn't bubble out. But this is now coming up. So what am I going to do to fix it? I am going to put on a step front. This is self-adhesive that I purchased on Amazon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it from one end, but I'm not going to do the full length of the step like this, because I have a feeling if I were to do this, this is going to create a sharp corner that you could catch a foot on if you do the step wrong. So I'm just going to pull it in a little bit on either side so that we don't have a bad accident with our ankles. So it is, as you see, too long to fit, so I'm gonna cut it up with a hacksaw, and we'll get this thing fitted. I'm gonna sand this down just a little bit so we don't have any super sharp little edges or fragments. Feels pretty good. Check the side that I didn't cut. Yeah, that feels good too. Okay, now what I'm gonna do before I adhere it, I have some alcohol swabs. I have a bunch of these in the house. I can't remember why I have these, but I am just gonna wipe down the surface, make sure everything's clean and it's free of any debris. The final thing I'm going to do is, it did come with some little sealant glue, and it says to put it in little stripes along here. So I think I will do that. It said about every 5 centimeters have a little stripe. Okay. Now let's remove the tape. I know how long that needs to sit, but I'll just keep that clamped for a couple hours, because I need to go run some errands shortly. So, and here's the finished product. For Carl and Merv, that's a wrap.
On the road with Merv.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest Merv content.